हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एफपीएल गपशप। मेरा नाम है रक्षित एंड आई एम जॉइंड बाय मनन छिप्पर। बट मनन द ग्रेट मैन इज बैक हिमसेल्फ। अभी अभी चॉपर से वेनेजुएला से वापस आए हैं एंड ही इज बैक आफ्टर किडनैपिंग निकोलस मडूरो। भाटिया साहब, वेलकम बैक टू द पॉड।
That's such
हाउ
a
वाज योर
bad
मिशन?
reference.
थैंक
हाउ
यू
वाज योर
फॉर
मिशन?
द बहुत सही था सबमिशन जो भी था। आई अकम्प्लिश्ड एवरीथिंग एंड द ओनली रीजन मैं आपके सारे पॉड के चहीतों को बताना चाहता हूँ कि चोपड़ा साहब ने हाथ जोड़ के विनती की कि आप मुझे मनन से बचाओ, उसकी ग्लोटिंग, उसकी कॉकीनेस से मैं अकेला थक गया हूँ। दैट्स द ओनली रीजन आई एम हियर।
तो
Wait,
भाटिया
wait.
साहब जब हेलीकॉप्टर से नीचे रोप के थ्रू आ रहे थे तो पॉड सुन रहे थे हमारे ईयरपीस में। या इतना डेडिकेशन उनका एफपीएल गपशप पे। एक ईयरपीस पे डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प था और एक पे मनन छिप्पर
नहीं,
के
बट
elite FPL tips।
रक्षित ने गिड़गिड़ाया किससे? आपसे या डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प से?
I'll let that remain a secret.
Some things should never come out, Manan.
Yeah,
But
my
Bhatia
bad.
साहब, great to have you back यार। और
Are you sure?
I wish I could. I wish I
totally
could say great to be back, but ठीक है, I'll put up with you guys.
नहीं, बट
नहीं,
आपकी
but,
मनन छिप्पर की कॉकीनेस को आपकी कॉकीनेस ही काटती है। तो इट्स गुड टू
Sir,
हैव लाइक टू कॉकी
जितना
फकर्स।
भी मैं try कर लूं,
No,
इस
no,
level
no,
पे नहीं पहुंच
Rक्षit,
सकता
don't
सर।
complete the sentence. It's not good.
सो दोस्तों, भाटिया साहब के लिए एटलीस्ट लाइक कर दो प्लीज।
Yeah,
भाटिया
please.
साहब इज बैक, लाइक करो। हम उनके elite
His
FPL
elite
टिप्स सुनेंगे इस
knowledge,
पर्टिकुलर पॉड
his
में।
elite FPL tips is back along with him. So please
सर
like
मैं
and
खुद मनन
subscribe.
के
subscribe.
लिए टिप्स लेने आया हूँ सर।
चलो
भगवान से तो
सब्सक्राइब करो
डरो।
दोस्तों, और टेलीग्राम चैनल को भी फॉलो करना। लिंक आपको मिल जाएगा वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में एंड पिन कमेंट एज वेल। भाटिया साहब, आपकी टीम की बात करेंगे, आपकी जर्नी की बात करेंगे, नॉट द यूएस टू वेनेजुएला जर्नी, बट वी टॉक अबाउट योर एफपीएल जर्नी ओवर द पास्ट फ्यू वीक्स। बट मैन, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद यू। इट्स बीन लाइक अ शिट वीक फॉर kind of
Everyone.
like everyone,
Yeah.
but you are first with 53 points. Tell us what went right and what went wrong.
Don't remember. It feels like it's been a long
And don't care.
yeah, and don't care. Honestly, the only thing I remember is Keane scored a goal and then he got a red card, and he ended up on 5 points, and now he's gonna not be available for at least 2 game weeks, I think. So yeah, so that I was so happy when Keane scored, bro. This was the first time I was owning Keane, and he legit वो उसने score किया, and again, but I don't know if it was a red card or not, but again, can't control that. Happy with my triple Arsenal, got 2 clean sheets. Saka करता रहेगा ऐसी 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ज़्यादा उम्मीद मैं कर नहीं रहा हूँ उससे. The fixtures upcoming are really good. Thiago, that's another story. He was so bad, like legit so bad that he got hooked off at halftime. I
But
mean,
Manan,
But Shah got
if you were
injured,
told
right?
ki no, he gave away the penalty.
yeah,
His error led to the first goal and he got booked.
and
And
he
he
got
got like hooked at halftime.
yeah,
But
But Manan,
Shah
अगर
was
आपको
his
कोई बोलेगा
replacement
कि
and he got injured.
हाँ, he got injured. Thea was gonna play. It's just that he was pretty shit in that match.
yeah,
But Manan, अगर आपको बोलते हैं कि 16 पॉइंट देगा 2 वीक्स में, तो आप ले लेते। You would have taken
yeah.
it,
True,
bitten
true,
your
true,
hand
true,
off.
true.
But
Yeah,
yes,
that's why I can't
stinker
complain. That's why I can't complain. Goalkeeper doesn't matter उतना. Dubravka again 3 points. Rogers 3. थोड़ा सा hindsight में थोड़ा सा हट करा, because the other player I was considering was Bruno G. And last 2 weeks में, since I've brought, thank you Rakshit for removing. The last other 2 weeks में Rakshit cannot hear anything about Rogers, bro. Just whenever I start talking about Rogers,
No chance.
yeah. So Bruno G has outscored Rogers by almost 10 points now. So again, but can't do anything about it
15
now.
points. 15 points
Yeah.
last 2 weeks.
But Rogers got an assist last week, no?
8 plus
No.
20. 22 minus 8.
Achha.
14 points.
Oh, wow.
But what a jammy fucking goal from Bruno. Top 2 penalty takers are not in the lineup, not in the
Every
team when the
week.
penalty was given. Third choice penalty taker आके penalty मार गया.
और एवरी
जिसकी
वीक
वजह
सर
से
उससे पहले वाले में वो गोलकीपर एरर, वो 40 यार्ड्स आउट पता नहीं क्या कर रहा है वहां, उसको ओपन गोल दे दिया. बताओ आप, मतलब वो भी एक्स्ट्रा टाइम. एनी व्हिच वेज वी डोंट गो डाउन दैट रैबिट होल.
around 12-13 GA from like around 6 something XGI.
या
So it's
मैसिवली
like a
2.8 भाई.
performance. Yeah.
Last
2.8.
10 returns from 3.8 XGI.
Yeah. That's insane.
ridiculous.
Anyway, we can't do anything about Cunha. Just terrible. United, just terrible. I don't think he's an option anymore, even with the players returning.
He was never an option.
Yeah, just 1 week, I think he scored a goal and made us all feel happy. But yeah, but the hero again is Thiago. Last week hat-trick, this week brace. I don't know how people did not see it coming after.
Absolutely.
He was not
Only
taking
the elite
shots.
managers have Thiago.
Yeah, right. No,
But the
really,
ultra elite managers have Thiago and bench Thiago.
yeah.
Oh.
Forget that. For his hat
Did you
tricks.
know? Bhatia sahab,
Not this week.
last week.
Not
he-
this
yeah,
week.
yeah.
Group पे बताया था, but not this week.
Oh my god.
That was insane. But again, रक्षित ने एक बात बोली थी पॉड से स्टार्ट वाले कि he's like a good comparison of him is like last season's Chris Wood. He'll continue to do well. He's on penalties, plays 90 minutes. Even जब थोड़े fixtures difficult होंगे, he'll उसके batches में उसके goals आएंगे, and he'll continue to do well if you hold on to him. So,
I agree with that, but इससे पहले ये 2 हफ्ते के पहले आप 6 हफ्ते देखोगे ना भाई, 0.7 xg total for 6 weeks combined.
and
आप
2
ये
shots.
2 हफ्ते के पहले आप बोल सकते थे कि would he take along? Not so sure यार. So I think it's more happenstance and
Yeah,
out of the blue या पता नहीं कहाँ से he's got so much xg for the last couple of games. I think
Totally agree,
Everton
man.
is to blame
Totally
for
agree.
that.
yeah, Everton is.
they gifted him the goals basically.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But
so-
the thing also is, I can't say for sure कि it's not sustainable or anything because all of 5 goals he really took it well also, right? ऐसा नहीं था कि again obviously it
अरे,
was a gift.
I'm not taking away anything from him,
Yeah.
but you couldn't have seen it coming because
Yeah,
his
yeah, 100%,
numbers were not
100%.
there at all.
Again, last part हम बात कर रहे थे. I told Rakshit if I had an extra transfer, I would do Thiago to DCL before the hat trick. So again,
Yeah.
it's just I had other problems in my team and I stuck onto him. And again, the 5 goals in 2 matches, it's just a shit ton. That's a shit
Absurd.
variance.
Just absurd.
Yeah, absurd. Yeah,
crazy.
exactly.
And that's not even with any penalty, na? All open play.
Yeah, all open.
Yeah, all
play.
open play.
Imagine.
All open play, bro.
Imagine.
And Utara is
जो
coming
बंदा
back now.
penalty पे डिपेंड करता है, penalty के बिना 5 मार दिया.
But अब Utara आ गया ना, as Rakshit mentioned,
Utara
Utara
आ
is
गया.
coming back now. Now he'll get
तो अभी open
penalties.
play बंद हो जाएगा. अभी open
हाँ.
play बंद हो जाएगा.
And Haaland with a lucky penalty, I guess, क्योंकि उसके अलावा मतलब वो match was meh. So
He's been
yeah.
pretty shit, by the way, for a long time now.
But he
Haaland,
hit
na?
the post
Yeah.
though. He hit the post though.
I know he hit the post, but his performances in the early part of the season and now over this
Yeah.
period now have been like pretty bad. Like
But
he's
now it's United.
not playing in that level. That's not my point. My point is
Yeah.
कि genuinely मैं कह रहा हूँ कोई ऐसा प्रॉब्लम नहीं अगर आपको कोई दूसरे कैप्टन एक्सप्लोर करने हो.
Yeah.
Even when he has scored, penalty से वैसे हमें बोनस नहीं मिलता अब, right? कम मिलता है, नहीं मिलता है, जो भी है.
Yeah. BPS कम हो
And
गया.
he has, I think he got like almost like 2 xg in this match. So he missed chances also. तो उसको तभी बोनस नहीं मिला है, कुछ भी नहीं मिला. एक मिला था फिर वापस ले
मिला
लिया.
था फिर कम हो गया.
हाँ.
Yeah.
So it's okay to explore other options अगर आपको करना भी
I
है.
agree.
तो.
Again, Rakshit, हम last week भी बात कर रहे थे कि it's about who are the obviously you can punt on, but even to go against Haaland, you need reliable players because आप expect
Thiago?
करते हो Haaland
Thiago.
now he's reliable. Yeah.
Till he's
But
not.
anyway, it was a shit week,
Yeah.
honestly. Yeah. Got 30, 40
Yeah, we
red
spent
arrow.
lot of time on your team. Let's move
Thank you.
quickly. ना deserve नहीं करता था.
Thank you.
Thiago, give it. Thiago, take it away. 17 points followed by like a -1. It's fine. Pretty shit though. He posted an apology actually on Instagram. Ki,
Yeah.
man, that was happy for the 3 points, but that was terrible from me. ऐसा कुछ. Double ask clean sheet. It's अगर आपके पास 2 आर्सेनल डिफेंडर है, उससे भी आपको कोई अच्छा गेन नहीं मिलता है. That's where we are at right now. Legendary Vicario with 1 point. Tavernier got an assist. Happy to hold on to him now. In the future now, with Semenyo going, with Kluivert getting injured, so most likely should be on bench. He's playing well. Most importantly, he's playing well. Rodgers with 3 points. It was a weird match. Chances thi. If you see the highlights, Palace had 3 big chances. Villa had 3 big chances. Dono teams should have scored in this match. It's just one of those matches which finished 0-0. But again, a poor out of form Everton है next. तो मुझे लगता है Rodgers is a fine hold तब तक. Foden. I think we can have a conversation later. Cunha, I don't think too much conversation is required. हालैंड कैप्टन, थियागो मनन ने काफी मेंशन कर दिया है. Bowen, I'm still, I don't have a problem. He is still the third highest scoring forward in the game. Like these three forwards are the three highest scoring forwards in the game. The problem is कि Bowen से ऊपर काफी सारे mids है. तो do we switch to like a 3-5-2? That's the question. We'll discuss आगे. But again, Dr. Tottenham है. Dr. Tottenham सब कुछ solve करती है. So we'll probably wait for this week and then take a call. And उसके बाद we'll see. Pade साहब 45 points. Yeah.
Nothing to talk about. I think Gabriel clean sheet and Haaland are the only returnees. Keane ne goal mara, but he thought, yeah, they don't deserve my points, so I'll take a red card. Everyone else is pretty rubbish. Tarkowski defcon diya. Nothing else to talk about. Shit week. And Manan se baat kara tha. I think first red arrow in about 6 or 7 weeks. So it is what it is.
Okay. एक सवाल था मेरा मनन का दोनों का. Just your reasoning behind Matheus Nunes, like O'Reilly to Nunes straight swap. वो जानना चाहते थे बहुत सारे लोग actually.
So that was in hindsight a pretty bad move, I agree. But मेरा reasoning ये था कि I predicted O'Reilly not to get 90s and maybe become a rotation risk, which I think is happened to an extent. Or Nunes लाने का ये था कि they had Chelsea at home and Brighton at home. I was expecting at least one clean sheet out of the two, which was, I don't think was a bad assessment, but yeah, obviously it didn't work out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Other option, I know Manan is
got
laughing
unlucky.
at my explanation.
No,
but
you got unlucky कि you did not, no one could see कि Diaz और Guardiola same
हाँ,
match
मैं
में.
वही बोलने वाला था कि it's because of Guardiola and Diaz injury that O'Reilly is actually getting minutes.
And
now.
you saw how they conceded against Chelsea 90th minute में big
Yeah.
chance में save किया Donnarumma, उसके बाद rebound पे गया. So that could have very
Yeah.
well been a 6 or an 8 pointer. My other option was a Sunderland defender, and I thought City might keep a clean sheet. So ठीक है.
Nah, it
Seems like a
fine,
waste,
yeah.
but it is what it is. Yeah.
Interestingly, Manan, he has Ekitike on his bench, which is like a big differential for this week. So I think वो pay off कर सकता है Thiago to Ekitike this week.
Sir, playoff last 2 हफ्ते ही कर दिया sir.
we will see. We'll see. हम इसके बारे में बात करेंगे वाडिया साहब की टीम में.
Yeah. Let's briefly go through this. Manan, I think it's a sort of a turning point in the season, would you say, in terms of, let's say, a fixture swing, especially अगर आप midfielders की बात करोगे. Because Chelsea का रन थोड़ा सा ठीक हो रहा है अब. There are some midfield moves जो definitely कर सकते हैं लोग. Not sure इतने forwards में और इतने defense में इतने सारे हैं. But firstly, would you agree कि this is like a turning point? या do you think कि it's okay to wait for like a week or two anyways? Because मुझे लगता है कि थोड़ा सा uncertain. We don't have some information because United का नया मैनेजर आएगा, Chelsea का नया मैनेजर आ चुका है, थोड़ा सा uncertain है. City का blip, is it really a blip? Right? So these sort of questions के answers हमारे पास नहीं है अभी.
No, I agree with you. I don't think this is the turning point. I think if someone is waiting to wildcard, I think game week 24 is a good place because again, as you mentioned, Chelsea and United are two teams जिसके fixtures are not gonna turn. Like Chelsea के अभी हो रहे हैं, United के in 2 weeks, right? So 2 game weeks time. So आपको 2 game का sample size मिल जाएगा under new manager, और क्या क्या players को minutes मिल रहे हैं, कौन sort of किस role में खेल रहा है. Then there's Aston Villa जिसके 2 game weeks बाद जिसके fixtures are turning really really good. There's Crystal Palace जिसके fixtures are turning really good. So ऐसा नहीं है. So game week 24 में there are at least 5 to 6 teams जिनके थोड़े से better हो रहे हैं. Bournemouth के fixtures बहुत ridiculous हो रहे हैं. Akshat mentioned Tavernier है उनके पास, and I'm eyeing to get him because game week 24 से उनके fixtures for the long term बहुत अच्छे हैं. So there are a lot of teams जिनके 24 से fixture turn हो रहे हैं. तो what I would suggest is to wait for at least 2 more weeks and then maybe assess and see if you can make a better team or if you want to activate the wild card.
Bhatia साहब,
I completely agree because ये हफ्ते आप लेके भी आओगे तो there is no clarity on picks. Everything feels a wait and watch. काफी फ्लक्स पे सब कुछ, स्पेशली चेल्सी जिसके हम फिक्सचर्स टारगेट कर रहे हैं. Who would you even get? पामर पे बहुत सारे डाउट्स है. एंजो seems fine, but where does he play and does he play every game? बाकी अटैकर्स are pretty much a no-go at the moment, but अगर दिखता है कि नेटो starts every game और जाओ पेड्रो starts every game, maybe you can go there. But right now it's hard to take that decision, and I don't think you need to rush for a United midfielder at least for the next 2 weeks. So that can wait too.
या और थोड़ा कंजेशन भी है फॉर टीम्स इन द Carabao
Yeah,
Cup, लाइक मी एंड
especially
मनन वर
Chelsea as
डिस्कसिंग। या बहुत सारे मैचेस हैं। सो अगर आप न्यूकासल की पार्टी से बात करो, लाइक पीपल, आई अंडरस्टैंड कि ब्रूनो गुमारेस के लिए जा रहे हैं, बट एक तो वो
Yeah.
होम पे मोस्टली करता है, सेकेंडली दे हैव मैन सिटी इन द Carabao Cup, फिर उसके बाद वीकेंड मैच, फिर उसके 2 दिन बाद 3 दिन बाद यू हैव इंपॉर्टेंट चैंपियंस लीग मैच। इट्स नॉट लाइक आर्सेनल
Yeah.
कि हु आर प्रीटी सिक्योर्ड। न्यूकासल को अपने मैचेस जीतने हैं, राइट, चैंपियंस लीग में। चेल्सी को अपने मैचेस जीतने चैंपियंस लीग में। काराबाओ कप के इंपॉर्टेंट मैच, सिमिलरली विद चेल्सी ऑल्सो। अगर आप उनके फिक्सचर्स देखोगे, हर 3 दिन में एक मैच है, राइट।
That too
आर्सेनल,
not an easy match.
एग्जैक्टली, आर्सेनल फिर भी मुझे लगता है स्लाइटली इन अ बेटर पोजीशन है, बिकॉज उनका लाइक चैंपियंस लीग वाला पार्ट इज सॉर्टेड। मुझे लगता है कि वो निकाल सकते हैं। आई थिंक वन ऑफ देयर मैचेस इज आई थिंक कायरात एट होम और
Yeah.
समथिंग, तो दैट्स लाइक गारंटी 3 पॉइंट्स। बट उसके अलावा इफ यू सी न्यूकासल, यू सी चेल्सी, यू सी मैन सिटी, एसेट्स अगर आप देखोगे इन टीम्स के, एंजो हो गया, पाल्मर हो गया, ब्रूनो जी हो गया, फोर्डन एटसेट्रा, व्हाटएवर, तो इट्स सॉर्ट ऑफ डिफिकल्ट टू सी कि कौन से मैचेस में कौन प्लेयर रोटेट हो सकता है, क्या अभी उनकी प्रायोरिटी है। सारे बड़े बड़े मैचेस हैं। सिटी लॉस्ट एट होम टू लेवरक्यूजन इन द चैंपियंस लीग, अगर वो जीत जाते तो उनके लिए काफ़ी ईजी होता थोड़ा रोटेट करना, बट नाउ दे हैव अ टफ अवे ट्रिप टू बोडो ग्लिम्ट। आई थिंक दे हैव टू, आई थिंक, प्ले अ स्ट्रॉन्ग टीम। फिर मैनचेस्टर डार्बी है उनकी, न्यूकासल के साथ मैच है काराबाओ कप पे 2 लेग्स। तो मुझे लगता है यहाँ पे थोड़ा कंजेशन होगा और हमें थोड़ी अनप्रिडिक्टेबल चीज़ें देखने को मिल सकती है।
Sorry,
Important.
sorry. Another thing I did not mention is why you wait till 24 is there's a potential for a 26 double as well. So again, वो इस पे I think EFL Cup final के ऊपर depend करेगा if I'm not mistaken, क्योंकि वो 31 में होना है, and if Arsenal, if Man City का match cannot be brought forward, but Arsenal and their opponent का हो सकता है, क्योंकि I think it's Arsenal and Palace, if I'm not wrong. But anyway, it's something of that sort,
Arsenal
right?
and Wolves.
Arsenal and Wolves, my bad. Arsenal and Wolves. So there could be a 26 double as well. So it's better to wait and have more information about it rather than just abhi up wild card karke. I think you're gonna miss out on an opportunity.
या आई वाज रीडिंग
Yeah.
कि अगर सिटी का भी थोड़ा प्लेऑफ वाला सीन हो जाता है तो भी देयर माइट बी अ चांस कि उनका भी ब्रॉड फॉरवर्ड हो सकता है इफ दे आर थ्रू टू द Carabao Cup। तो 1 to मॉनिटर है।
No, but उनका वो Palace है ना, and Palace don't have a free midweek ever because they are in
तो
also involved in.
हाँ, तो पहले ही लाना पड़ेगा ना, आई थिंक, या नहीं?
नहीं फिर वो
दे आर
34 में
आल्सो इन प्लेऑफ्स ना, दे आर आल्सो इन
yeah.
प्लेऑफ्स, पैलेस
So unka City
डायरेक्टली
versus
लगा।
City and Palace cannot be brought forward. I think it's gonna go into 34 double, but yeah, we'll talk
So
about it later जब
if
confirmation होगा.
Arsenal go through to the final, would you say there is a very high chance कि 26
Yes,
डबल होगा?
yes. Also you remember Rakshit last season एक Premier League ने announcement करी थी कि let's say if FPL ने कि if these and these club go through then there will be a double. Provisional एक announcement already कर दी थी.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm expecting something of that sort of similar because they are favorites to go through, right? So अगर if Arsenal go through कर लेती है again Champions League में, they I think already qualified or they're about to, so I think good chance of a double.
So
Interesting.
I have a question before we move forward. Arsenal की double की बात कर रहे हैं. Who do you think are the best 3 Arsenal picks at the moment?
Very good question. Rakshit, you go first, please.
Yeah, I still feel I'll go with 2 defenders. I'll go with a Gabriel and a Timber. I do feel Arteta as a handbrake first manager. मुझे लगता है अभी ये प्राइम एग्जांपल था लिवरपूल वाला मैच। There will be matches जहाँ पे फॉर एग्जांपल साका एंड राइस बोथ कैन डू वेल, बट बहुत रेयरली हमने देखा है कि दोनों एक ही मैच में आपको हाई स्कोर्स देते हैं। तो आई फील इट्स ओके इफ यू हैव साका, आई फील इट्स ओके इफ यू हैव राइस, बट आई थिंक उनके साथ आई वुड गो फॉर लाइक अ डबल डिफेंस, क्योंकि आर्टेटा इज समवन, स्पेशली विद सो मेनी फिक्सचर्स कमिंग अप ना, आई डोंट सी आर्सेनल स्कोरिंग टू मेनी गोल्स। इस मैच में मार सकती है ऑफ कोर्स, बट जनरली मुझे लगता है कि दे विल ट्राई टू ग्राइंड आउट रिजल्ट्स, कंजर्व सम एनर्जी, कीप क्लीन शीट्स, और ट्रस्ट मी, मतलब Timber and Gabriel are as likely as the other Arsenal attackers anyways to contribute assists and goals, especially अगर आप Gabriel की बात करो, और डेफ कॉन्स इज ऑल्सो फैक्टर अगर आप गेब्रियल की बात करो। तो आई डू फील कि पर्सनली मुझे लगता है डबल आर्सेनल इज फाइन। ऑल्सो भाटिया साहब, आई फील कि इफ यू लुक एट द मिडफील्ड ऑप्शंस, देयर आर सेवरल ऑप्शंस, यू डोंट नीड टू गो फॉर अ डबल आर्सेनल मिडफील्ड बिकॉज यू हैव मल्टीपल ऑप्शन मिडफील्ड में। आई थिंक 10 to 12 गुड रीजनेबल ऑप्शंस है अक्रॉस प्राइस ब्रैकेट्स। डिफेंस में मैं जेन्युइनली अगर आपसे पूछूं कि क्या ऑप्शन है, कुछ क्लियर नहीं है। तो वहाँ पे जस्ट गेट टू आर्सेनल डिफेंडर्स, गेट लाइक सनडरलैंड डिफेंडर, उसके अलावा एक आध डिफेंडर और ले लो एंड आई थिंक यू आर गुड।
Yeah, I was considering switching from Saka to a Timber, so that will take 2 moves. But कभी-कभी ऐसा लगता है कि when there are too many fixtures, when there is a congestion, there's a chance that Timber gets rested for the odd game as well. Maybe he just plays all the important ones, और एक आध easy game rotate हो सकता है. Ben White है वहाँ पे. Same issue with Saka as well. Madueke is there. So both options don't feel the best, but I agree with you कि I think double defense is better than double attack at the moment.
But we have not talked. You guys didn't mention let's say if you are going for a double defense, then in the midfield you have an option of Saka versus Rice, and I don't think it's a debate. I think Rice is a clear-cut answer in terms of the value he's providing, in terms of his even test-wise, he's impressing me more than Saka. If you ask me today, who's gonna haul in the next match, I'm gonna say Rice. Although Saka is very closer to it, but it's just consistently Rice has been performing really well. Routes to points की हम बात करते हैं. I think Rice better routes to point of obviously being set pieces. Saka के पास भी, but Rice के deliveries are so far better than Saka's is what I feel. And Rakshit, I remember I asked you if I wanted to go from Saka to Rice, right? If it's a double, I'll make that move in a heartbeat. Why? Because Saka का better substitute है Madueke, and Arteta has shown he trusts Madueke to even start in a Premier League game. I think in a double, Rice is 100% starting. So for me, my first pick is Gabriel, second is Rice, and third is Timber. Considering अगर एक double है, and if I had to target triple Arsenal.
I think that's fair. Only doubt is whether Timber starts the second game. For me, but I agree. These three are probably the pick of the Arsenal picks at the moment.
All right. Okay. These are the game week 2020. Game week 2022 goal trends. And right में clean sheet है ना percentages? Yes. So Liverpool are first दोनों categories में. Burnley at home है उनका. Arsenal clean sheet वाले में are second. But you can see the difference projections में at least between Arsenal के clean sheet and Arsenal के goals. Like there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah.
In terms of goal projections, but second in terms of clean sheet projections.
And every week they're gonna be second or third.
Yeah.
First or second.
What opponents. Yeah. First, second, third. Yeah.
Yeah. Brighton are second, जिनका Bournemouth के साथ match है. Bournemouth matches are high scoring for both the teams. Chelsea have Brentford. Not very sure about this. Brentford का थोड़ा defense improve हुआ है, but home match है. City have United away, potentially goal हो सकते हैं. Newcastle have Wolves away, फिर है Spurs, Arsenal, Aston Villa. Anyways, what stands out to you, भाटिया साहब? अगर मैं आपको goals या clean sheet की बात करूँ. Firstly, would you agree with the Liverpool valuation?
I think the goals are little overstated. They're not free flowing in attack at the moment. I can say that as an equity के owner. So points तो आते नहीं है. So 2.5, but then it's Burnley, right? आप expect करोगे कि Burnley के साथ teams attack them. They are, I guess, weaker away from home, slightly better at home, not by much. So it's not far off, but then if Liverpool score 3, you would be surprised based on the current form. Recent form अच्छा नहीं रहा उनका. They are not free flowing. They're struggling to create chances. And आप बात कर रहे थे, even their FA Cup match, they were not very impressive, right? So even though they got the goals, performance-wise शायद इतना खास नहीं था. So maybe Liverpool could flatter to deceive this one as well.
Manan, are you surprised to see Villa इतना नीचे? They're playing
Sorry,
at home.
just one thing on Liverpool. Another thing, Rakshit, is कि कल they just played yesterday, right? So, do you think थोड़े से we might see, I don't know, rotation not, but let's say early substitutions for a lot of players? It's just, I want to clear one thing. I don't think this is a fixture जहाँ पे you bring a Liverpool asset for 1 week, right? Because I just feel कि obviously first of all they're not reliable, and secondly I think this match is half days gap between the last match they played, and they played a pretty stronger team, right? In अगर आप cup match में बात करें. So that I just wanted to say that. And again on Villa, I am surprised considering I know Keane इतना बड़ा factor नहीं है. O'Brien has done well in the absence of Keane in multiple matches, but Villa अपने home पे I trust them more. I like the clean sheet percentage. I think 39% is almost where I would put it. But Villa are also, Rakshit, not a free scoring team, right? So again, and it's if they're not, and Everton, they have conceded in the last, I think, a couple of matches now. but they are also traditionally away from home. वो इतना openly नहीं खेलते. हमने बात करी है रक्षित. So probably I think I'd agree with the odds. I'd agree with the odds. And I don't think बाकी और तो इतना कुछ है. It's just the clean sheet odds मुझे काफी attract कर रहे हैं this week. Let's say someone as a Leeds defender. I feel Sunderland के better odds than 31. Although Palace को मैं disrespect कर रहा हूँ, but I think they have a better अपने home पे Sunderland might have better clean sheet odds, yeah, than 31%.
Yeah, the only thing I'll question is Tottenham. I have no faith in. No one has faith in Tottenham keeping a clean sheet.
Yeah,
absolutely no chance. Yeah, they are. वही आपको थोड़ा context भी देना होता है, but हाँ मतलब longer term में bookies are always right. Anything else to add before we move on?
I don't think.
Okay.
Nothing fancy.
All right. Let's move on to our teams. यहाँ हम थोड़ा discuss कर सकते हैं अपने assets के बारे में. But साहब, this is your team.
Yeah.
How many transfers do you have? Firstly,
2 free transfers.
Okay. What's your plan?
Sorry. One more thing. I've seen a lot of people request कि वो लोग, they listen to our pod while driving or something. So there was a request if you can read out your teams, that would be nice. So context मिल जाएगा.
आपकी टीम के लिए रिक्वेस्ट था ना, ये कहना चाह रहे ना आप?
सीधा बोल देते but ठीक है. So I have the legendary Nick Pope in goal, 2 या 3 point guaranteed. Floor भी 2 है, ceiling भी 2 है उसकी. So I'm expecting that. Gabriel,
do we all agree कि Wolves are likely to score in this match?
Yeah,
absolutely,
100%. Mane is scoring in this match, bro. It's not about Wolves.
Mane, legend. Yeah. Wolves are not. Wolves are playing well, bhai. लेकिन they can't be like targeted anymore. Definitely something is happening.
They're soon gonna get it over the line. They're gonna get it over the line. I'm not saying.
I have a feeling they'll finish 18th.
They might.
Yeah, it's very far off from survival. बहुत difference है, but मुझे लगता है कि they are currently better than Burnley and West Ham.
Yeah,
they are on the up while West Ham is on the down. I feel. So West Ham is someone जो आप target कर सकते हो, Burnley आप target कर सकते हो, Wolves not so much, Leeds and Sunderland also not so much. So there are very few teams you can target, और जिस team के साथ आप target कर रहे हो, उनकी भी quality कुछ खास नहीं है. So that is why I think we're seeing like a lot of low scoring games as well, except the odd game. टीम की बात करूँ तो गेब्रियल है डिफेंस में, आपके सबके पास होगा, नहीं होगा तो आई वुड से मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट प्लेयर इन एफपीएल राइट नाउ प्रोबेबली, सो नेवर टू लेट टू गेट हिम, अभी भी ले आ सकते हो. आई हैव चालोबा. चेल्सी हैज डिसअपॉइंटेड इन डिफेंस फॉर द लास्ट फ्यू वीक्स, बट होम गेम है ब्रेंटफोर्ड, सो ऑब्वियसली थियागो ब्रेस आ रहा है, तो आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग सम डेफकॉन फ्रॉम चालोबा. And my legendary transfer of Matheus Nunes, I'm starting him away to Old Trafford. I think I got him for this fixture, nailed down.
This is the match you get rewarded 100%.
Absolutely. 11 points के नीचे तो मैं मानूंगा ही नहीं है इससे. Clean sheet, DEFCON and team bonus तो nailed on है. Saka है.
OB is scoring in this match. Come on, we all know it.
Last up.
Yeah.
OB को 5 मिनट मिल गया तो बड़ी बात है, ये मैच में नहीं मिलेंगे.
Squad में होगा. Yeah.
Squad में होगा. He'll be the what 18th pick probably. Saka है team में. I don't know. I'm not disappointed with him. I'm not happy with him. He's just okay. He ticks along. The problem is he's not really a captaincy pick because explosive नहीं है, और Arsenal attack reliable नहीं है, I would say. Like you can't back Arsenal for a 3 or 4 goal drubbing in any of the games. So he's okay. He's someone I might move on if I need the funds. Foden again, his numbers are okay for the last few weeks, but 4 blanks in a row as well. So it can't continue. He can't do a Thiago, right? All of a sudden a hat-trick मार दे. Although his record in the Manchester derby is very, very good. तो अगर आप Foden है आपके पास, I would suggest एक और हफ्ता दे दीजिए. Is what
he's
my plan
exactly is. That sort of player who will go 4 blanks and hat-trick.
Exactly.
But then, like you said, we have so many midfield options, right? So you need players to sell as well. So Foden is a prime pick after game week 23, after he plays 2 shit teams in United and Wolves, and उसके बाद आप बेच सकते हैं.
Are you sure Wolves is shit?
Yeah, I think they are slightly less shit than United, but they are.
Okay.
Again, मैं वही बोलूँगा कि अगर आप fixtures देखोगे ना सिटी के, so you have Newcastle away in the Carabao Cup, right? Then you have Manchester United in the Premier League. Then you have Bodo Glimt away. मेरे हिसाब से तो must win matches.
Must win match है.
They are not in the top 8. And Then उसके बाद you have
Wolves.
Wolves. And फिर उसके
So
बाद
there's a
एक और
chance that he
Champions League
doesn't play
match है
that one.
against Galatasaray, exactly. So if actually there's a match जहाँ उसे मिल सकती है benching, it might be the Wolves match. That is the concern with Foden.
So
ये ना
the
random
thing-
में benching मिलेंगी for these players.
I completely agree with you, but अगर आप let's say next 3 games start करते हैं, all the away games he plays, but you still can't sell him before Wolves, right? If he starts, so
Yeah.
you are stuck with him. आप ना उसे captain कर सकते हो, ना आप उसे बेच सकते हो. If you have him for game week 23 तक, तो you have to play him and hope that he starts. That is the risk, and that comes with all City assets or players who play in the Champions League. Rodgers is fine. Last 2 weeks have been okay, but I think his best run or best fixtures are coming up, and I have high hopes for this game. Expecting a return at least from this one. Rice, I got him a few weeks back. I don't remember who I sold. I think I sold Bruno for him, but he's been all right. Take 17 pointer a couple of weeks back.
All
Otherwise,
right,
he's sticked
Rakshit.
along.
All right. Yeah.
He's not been a Thiago, man. Come on. So he's all right. Thiago has torn it apart.
Actually ना राइस का ये है कि if you see his returns ना मैं कल देख रहा था तो ये out of nowhere ये हॉल आया था. उसके अलावा he was just being consistent, right? Like 6-7 points इस टाइप से आ रहे थे, फिर एकदम फट गया इस मैच में.
Yeah.
But ये है इसका potential है ये, right? Like he'll consistently deliver and then जैसे
वो तो
उसने
इन सारे प्लेयर्स का है भाई, वो तो इन सारे प्लेयर्स का पोटेंशियल है. ऐसे तो साका का भी पोटेंशियल है, बट राइस का आई थिंक ये मेरे ख्याल से सेकंड डबल डिजिट हॉल और समथिंग था ऑफ द सीजन.
Yeah.
He's not going to score like 2 goals in every match.
Obviously.
But he doesn't need to score 2 goals. That's the thing.
He
Because
doesn't need
scores
to.
1
That's
goal.
the thing.
He gets 3 bonus. He gets defcons. He gets assists. He has just too many routes to points. So
That's true.
आप 6-7 points आप आराम से पकड़ सकते हो, which is very good for अगर आप हर गेम में 5-6 point
Didn't he get assist and got 10 points because of bonus, defcons and assist? So again, and a clean sheet.
He's liable to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. And like Manan said, he's on one side of the corners as well, and his set pieces are actually better than Saka. So that's, and Gabriel आ गया भाई. Gabriel आया 2 game 2 goals. So they are going back to their defensive solidarity. जहाँ पे goals they concede करे and they're scoring from set pieces.
Also,
So
I was hearing this rumor that they are looking to sign that throw-in coach, एक different. Again, it might be a rumor just to attack through throw-ins as well. So just a rumor I heard that and a coach who's considered really good, like the best in the country or something. So
और कुछ बचा है क्या भाई? मतलब आर्सेनल को exploit करने को set pieces.
They do focus on it, right? So again, yeah, it's important.
Yeah. Big time focus. Last midfield pick is Xhaka. I think he's okay for this week. So last midfield pick Xhaka, and my last defender, which is Nunes, could be Tarkowski. I'm not very happy with both of them this week, but I don't really have a better option. Captain is Haaland, expecting him definitely to score at Old Trafford. City should score 2 minimum, could be more as well. Ekitike, have to hold him for this fixture. He came on the FA Cup, did all right, got a goal and assist. Have to start him for Burnley and see how that goes. Bench पे Dubravka away to Liverpool. I could play him instead of Pope as well, but दोनों के 2-3 point लग रहे हैं. Tarkowski, Keane and Obi make up my bench.
So Bhatia साहब, this is probably a good time to ask you about Carrick. Like आप United fan है, आप थोड़ा आपने उनको follow भी किया होगा. He was the Middlesbrough manager. तो United are likely to, I think, appoint him. अभी तक I think officially नहीं हुआ.
I think it's done. It's done almost.
So what sort of a manager is he? क्या expect कर सकते हम United से?
I think he's more of a possession-based manager जो possession-based style खेलता है. Ole was more of a counter-attack type manager where 3 attack में आप defense, 3 pass में आप defense से attack आ जाओगे. Carrick is someone who believes in keeping possession more, and he was actually a part of the coaching staff when Ole was an interim as well. So he has decent credentials, but I wouldn't expect too much because United are unreliable at the best of times. You don't know what you're getting. And for someone who knows who's only going to be there till the end of the season. So आप players कितना respond करेंगे उसके style से, उसके management से. और पहले जब वो था, he had more of the players who he grew up with, right? So those group has been cleared out. Your likes of Rashford, Lingard, Sancho, all those homegrown type players, they've been moved out. So whether they respond to him, whether they don't, we don't know. And anyway, the next 2 I would say are probably the toughest games that he could have chosen, home to City and away to Arsenal. So that might also not give you an exact picture of how United will set up in the easier games. So better to avoid United, wait and watch, see how it goes.
Are you not expecting a small bounce at least? Manchester Derby, players will be up for it. थोड़ा सा तो expect कर रहे होगे आप.
It could happen, but it could easily be like a 0-2, 0-3 City win as well. It could be a 2-2, 2-1 United win or a 0-3. I think it'll be one of the two extremes. Depends on if he can actually get the players to buy in with his style of play. City are honestly there for the taking. Their defense has not been great. You mentioned Guardiola is injured. Ruben Dias is injured as well. So United should fancy themselves to score a goal or two at home, especially with the 4 at the back formation जहाँ पे Bruno is not playing as a central midfielder. Number 10 खेल रहा है तो काफी chances create करता है. I think I still maintain that he's one of the better attacking mids in the league. काफी chances मिलते हैं. Sesko is scored a couple of goals in the last couple of games. तो goals आ सकते हैं, but whether they turn up is the question. And United के साथ वो unreliability last few years has always been there.
So what's your United front four in this match?
I'll be Sesko, Bruno behind him, Mbeumo right, Cunha left. I think Amad doesn't start this one. Or if he has to start Amad, then I think Sesko goes out and Cunha or Mbeumo play false nine.
Interesting.
What are your transfers, by the way, plans?
I'm asking you. You're the expert, so tell me what I should.
No, but what are you thinking though? And then we'll say, no, if it's good or not. We have not thought about your team, itna, but yeah.
No, not we.
I'm
asking you. You are the expert.
It's only you. I've come to the pod just to get your expert opinion on my team.
इसी मोमेंट के लिए आए हैं. इसी मोमेंट
exactly इसी आप मुझे बताएं मुझे कौन सा ट्रांसफर
as soon as I say you're gonna leave, right? So that's why I'm not gonna say.
No, I'm not leaving, but I'll shut up after.
नहीं बताओ, but like genuinely what are
यार honestly सोचा नहीं है. Like I said, Nunes okay, keep a clean sheet, but not very optimistic. Tarkowski, I don't think will keep a clean sheet, but I think I could play him for the DEFCON. Baki, Bruno is an option, but don't love the fixtures, and I don't really have a Cunha that I can sell. Like Cunha, I would say Cunha to Bruno was pretty straightforward. Saka, I can sell and get a Timber for Keane, but I'm not sure it's worth 2 moves at the moment.
I think I'd roll personally if this was must. It's an easy roll. I don't think defense is an issue this week. I'll happily play Matheus Nunes against United.
Would you play him ahead of Tarkowski?
No, because you also have Rodgers, right?
Yeah.
So first of all, it's going against your midfielder against a defender. And also, I don't see Everton keeping a clean sheet. Famous last words, but I trust Villa at home more. And Keane bhi nahi hai is match mein, obviously suspended. So I don't think clean sheet ke itne अच्छे chance hai. And I genuinely feel Matheus Nunes can give you an attacking return in this sort of a match.
Would you play Tarkowski ahead of Xhaka?
Tarkowski का DEFCONs का chances way more than Nunes getting an attacking return. And I think they'll concede.
But Villa के against DEFCONs नहीं मिलते because they don't play that sort of way. Villa के against defenders उतने DEFCONs नहीं मिलते. Obviously Tarkowski is someone जिसको ज़्यादा मिलते हैं.
Tarkowski is a beast, man.
Tarkowski को ये मैच में मिलेंगे DEFCONs.
In away matches में he's like almost nailed on to get DEFCONs.
I agree.
और अगर Keane नहीं है ना तो सारे clearances यही करता है मतलब. He just keeps heading the ball.
And Everton are good यार away from home. इनको suit करता है play.
I might bench Xhaka and play Tarkowski as well. I think
I would play Xhaka ahead of both of them.
Yeah, I would not bench Xhaka at home. मतलब Palace
sure.
It will be
I know आपको feeling नहीं आ रही है, maybe bias है as a United fan against your team, but I think 2 City is fine, man. You don't need to go 3 City.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah,
I think that's logical, but I think I'm just very bullish on Villa this week. I'm expecting them to score maybe 2 or even 3 goals. Is what I expect.
मैं भी expect कर रहा हूँ, but I think DEFCONs सिर्फ DEFCONs की basis पे Tarkowski बोल रहा हूँ.
But then
बहुत अच्छा chance है.
DEFCON और 2 goal conceded के बाद 2 या 3 पॉइंट ही होने वाले.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Then you're actually hoping for like an attacking return from Nunes.
Right? But Nunes,
Nunes आजकल यार कभी-कभी DEFCON दे देता है, like somebody attacks from the left hand side.
Go with your gut, yeah.
But it's a role.
Do play Xhaka.
Yeah, I think it's one between Nunes and Tarkowski, but both are 2 or 3 pointers this week.
Yeah.
Manan, would you like 2 free transfers हैं? तो something like a Saka to Enzo and getting in
And
like
Keane
Timber
to Timber.
for Keane and starting Timber, instant returns काफी मिल सकते हैं आपको.
Yeah,
Sort of
I
moves
like
है
the
ना?
move. I like the move if he's sure about he wants to get in Cunha. Sorry, if he wants to get in Enzo. Sorry, my bad. Because obviously ये double and again हो सकता है इस week हो सकता है थोड़ा backfire कर दे. Let's say if Saka goes off, but I think longer term it's a really good move.
See, even the fixtures coming up for Arsenal, right? They don't scream clean sheets अगर आप आगे के fixtures देखोगे. So and with so many matches, I'm not sure.
But there are team जिनको scream clean sheets वाले fixtures चाहिए भी नहीं, right? They
हाँ,
are
I
capable
agree
of
with that.
creating one.
Yeah.
But I think
if you're
a better option is just to roll and
assess.
and
Yeah.
assess the situation.
More info.
Okay.
Yeah,
Fair. Let's go to and Captain Haaland.
Captain Haaland for sure.
This is your team, Manon. What are your plans?
Yeah, so I'll just read it out first. I have Bruggen in goal, Thiago, Gabriel, O'Reilly, and Timber in defense. I'm not really happy with the defense. Utna, I have Cunha, Saka, Foden, and Rogers in the midfield. Not really happy with the midfield, and I have Thiago and Haaland, which I'm
भाड़े साहब
pretty
actually चले
content.
गए. भाड़े साहब
मैं
चले
वही
गए
कह
आपसे
रहा था ना,
suggest
इसलिए मैं नहीं
करके.
सजेस्ट कर रहा था. भाई ने वीडियो ही बंद कर दिया. Anyway, and on defense is bare bones. I have Keane, King, and Goyo, जो तीनों players खेलते नहीं है. So currently really struggling with the whole squad, but yeah.
Easy roll.
No. I have 2 free transfers. I'm planning to make one. Cunha. I think I can't take the pain of owning Cunha and then because of that watching United. It's just too painful.
You're a
And
fool. You're a fool. You're watching United play.
yeah, so again, I any which ways will because of United, because of the Manchester derby, but I don't want itna. I can't find the words.
Exposure.
Exposure, yeah, right. 3 City and 1 United. So the plan is to do Cunha to Enzo. I get the Enzo के minutes risk है, but I was telling Rakshit one interesting fact for me. जो Cunha Enzo के लिए, why I'm saying Cunha, जो Enzo के और favor work करता है is कि Palmer is the new manager said Palmer is still struggling with injury, with a knock or something. So I'm expecting him to not start. The Premier League match either after the cup match or uske baad wala. So I'm expecting Enzo to be in pens for that as well. So again Enzo की थोड़ी सी appeal और बढ़ जाती है, and if he's playing Caicedo and Santos तो उसके तो वो any which ways Enzo थोड़ा आगे खेल रहा है, right? So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि Enzo even for the next 2 is a fine pick. So Cunha to Enzo is one transfer I'm gonna do. And secondly, मुझे आपसे लोगों से पूछना है कि do I use a second transfer on my bench because it's really not a bench anymore? Yeah, do you think it's fine? These all players should start and I can roll the second one.
I would
want to
replace one
use
of
a
the
transfer on
defenders.
your bench?
What I mean to say,
bench a
let's say,
player?
no, let's
No,
say
he
Keane
thinks if Thiago or O'Reilly don't play,
Keen to someone and I'll start him, let's say, or an O'Reilly, or if I want to, that's an option. But
I would probably do that.
I'd get in like a Sunderland defender probably.
Yeah.
For Keane.
They have
because Branthwaite is apparently gonna be back soon and Keane will become a problem in the long run. 2 matches तो मिस कर ही रहा है. कितने मैचेस करेगा देखो, लॉन्गर टर्म तो ब्रैंथवेट आ ही जाएगा टीम में. माइकल कीन कितना टाइम रहेगा आई एम नॉट श्योर. रह भी सकते हैं, नहीं भी रह सकते, who knows. Tarkovsky is going nowhere. Branthwaite
and even
will
the
come in
fixtures are turning now for Everton.
Yeah. Keane is a sell.
You can sell. You can get in like an Alderete or a Mukiele or someone, even a Ronaldo who's like 3.8 if you want, and play them over either Thiago or O'Reilly.
Who do you? I think you'd play them over O'Reilly over Thiago, right?
I'd play Thiago.
Yeah. Okay, I'll consider that. And captain is Haaland. So and again, the next 2 weeks ka plan is to get in Rice and Bruno instead of Saka and Foden. Very clear about it.
Solid plan.
Matlab, I might do Saka to Rice next week and then Foden to Bruno next week, and I think I'll be.
I like the Enzo pick as well. I think Brentford is a game he will definitely start and he could go off.
Exactly.
This is my team. So Alderete, Gabriel, and Timber back three. Vicario is playing West Ham. खाएगा पक्का गोल. Midfield में I have Cunha, Foden, Rogers, and Tavernier. I am happy with Tavernier, Rogers. Not very sure about Foden, Cunha longer term. Bowen, I'm going to give it this week because Tottenham hai, and Thiago and Haaland are also there. Now, eventually, do I sell Bowen and get in like a Krupi Jr. or a Marty Usmane and go for 5 midfield? Definitely possible. I just feel this is a week जहाँ unknowns बहुत है. Like, I'm not very sure about a lot of picks in across various positions. नहीं बहुत surety है, right? Like, even अगर हम बात करें United की बात कर लो, right? मतलब who knows कैसे सेटअप होंगे, who knows क्या वाइब्स हैं, who knows क्या होगा. It just takes one convincing win over City and उनका पूरा वो टर्न हो सकता है सीन. पता नहीं, राइट? सिटी का क्या पता, मतलब ब्लिप था. अगर यूनाइटेड से हार जाते हैं दैट मीन्स कि मतलब दे आर लाइक काइंड ऑफ गॉन इन द टाइटल रेस. अगर कन्विंसिंग विन ओल्ड ट्रैफर्ड पे आ जाती है देन दैट मीन्स कि वो ब्लिप था एंड दे आर लाइक बैक. सो वी डोंट नो एग्जैक्टली क्या सीन है. फिर फोर्डन अगर इस मैच में ब्लैंक करता है, फिर उसके बाद देर आर कंसर्न्स अबाउट हिम स्टार्टिंग अगेंस्ट वुल्व्स फॉर एग्जांपल. कर भी सकता है, नहीं भी कर सकता है. सो मेनी न्यू प्लेयर्स हैव कम इनटू सिटी, लाइक सेमेन्यो आ गया. अब गारंटीड है कि वो डोकू के जगह खेलेगा, पता नहीं. कैन ही प्ले ऑन द राइट? यस. चर्की लास्ट मैच बेंच हुआ था. तो पेप हैज बीन पिकिंग द सेम लाइनअप फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, बट इट्स गोना चेंज नाउ. ही इज गोना गेट इन न्यू प्लेयर्स एंड प्ले देम, मुझे लगता है. तो फोर्डन के मिनट्स भी कोई गारंटी नहीं है अब. सो काफ़ी फ्लक्स है. अगर आप एंजो की बात करो, आई एग्री विद यू. मुझे लगता है कि इज़ अ गुड ऑप्शन, लॉन्गर टर्म गुड ऑप्शन. लेके आके भूल जाओ, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. मुझे लगता है कि इवन अंडर दिस न्यू मैनेजर ही विल कंटिन्यू टू डू वेल. बट मतलब I feel they are playing a team who are like in form right now, who are actually above them in the league. So I'm not sure if it is the best entry point. It's a fine entry point. They are the favorites. But again, मुझे लगता है कि information ला सकते हो अभी भी कि क्या होगा about these players. So थोड़ा सा uncertain है exactly कि कौन सा player है. मुझे लगता है कि एक week में थोड़ी सी और certainty मिल जाएगी about some picks. So this is the current team. Captain is Haaland. I am not very sure about selling Cunha right now. Like, I might give him 1 week. Because I am not very sure कि मेरी priority actually मैं genuinely कह रहा हूँ फोर्डन बेचना है या कुनिया बेचना है. I'm not very sure about it. Because मैं काफ़ी टाइम से फोर्डन से खुश नहीं हूँ. इस मैच में एकदम फट सकता है बट नहीं फटता है, कुछ नहीं करता है once again. So मतलब he is not been playing well for a long time. फिर suddenly burst आया और फिर गायब हो गया. फिर से उसके बाद से 4 मैच से ब्लैंक आ रहे हैं. तो नंबर्स हैव बीन ओके, बट अगेन ही इज अ कॉन्फिडेंस प्लेयर. कॉन्फिडेंस अगर उसका चला गया फिर से तो इट रिमेन्स. तो थोड़ा अनसर्टन है. एंड आई डू फील कि मैनचेस्टर डर्बी थोड़ी हाई स्कोरिंग हो सकती है. It's traditionally been high scoring. It could be high scoring from both ends. So there is just a lot of unknown right now with a lot of new managers coming in for a lot of teams. So I'm not sure. अगर most likely अगर मैं करूँगा तो मैं कुनिया टू राइस करूँगा अपनी टीम में.
Yeah, you only have 2 Arsenal, so Rice is the best pick in the game.
I have, but again मुझे वही है कि राइस को कभी भी आप ला सकते हो. Like कोई ऐसा आपको वो नहीं है कि आप अभी लाओ या नेक्स्ट वीक लाओ, बिकॉज देयर इज नो रॉन्ग टाइम टू गेट इन डेक्लन राइस, राइट. तो अगर मेरे को फील आती है कि हाँ लेट्स से कुछ हो रहा है यूनाइटेड पे एंड व्हाटएवर, सिटी का डिफेंस कुछ बहुत अच्छा है नहीं. आर्सेनल अभी भी मुझे लगता है टीम जो मतलब डिफेंस फर्स्ट है. लॉन्गर टर्म राइस इज अ फाइन पिक, बट यू नेवर नो. मतलब देयर इज एब्सोल्युटली नो गारंटी कि आप कह सकते हो कि हाँ कुनिया खत्म हो चुका है, कि नहीं ब्रूनो ही ऑप्शन है, कुनिया नहीं है, कुनिया चूतिया है, कुनिया ये है, अब यही प्लेयर अच्छा होगा गारंटी. वी डोंट हैव दैट इन्फॉर्मेशन अभी. दैट्स ऑल आई एम सेइंग. अगर आप सिटी वाला मैच पे लेट से हाई स्कोरिंग होता है, यूनाइटेड डू वेल, आर्सेनल वाला मैच इज टफ, वहां पे आप बेंच कर दो. उसके अक्रॉस फिर फिक्सचर्स आर गुड फॉर यूनाइटेड उसके बियॉन्ड, एंड वी हैव नो इन्फॉर्मेशन, नो क्लैरिटी कि कौन सा यूनाइटेड पिक अच्छा होगा इन दोस पिक्स. दैट्स द ओनली थिंग. सो या that's where I'm at right now, but apparently मतलब ज़्यादा सोचा नहीं है. Closer to the week we'll take a call. I'll take a call कि क्या exactly.
How many free transfers?
I have 2.
Everyone has 2.
I think you can easily roll. Your bench is also so good. So you have Xhaka, Thea. So आप convinced नहीं हो तो I don't think you have to make a move.
This is a sexy looking team, Bhatia sahab. This is a very sexy looking team.
And I really like the Tavernier pick 24, so I think he might.
Yeah, he's insane.
I mean, I'm going to play because Brighton will give you chances. अपने home
Definitely,
पे,
must
and
play. Or he
both
might
matches
be
are
on
basically-
penalties as well, right?
He is on penalties.
He's on penalties.
देखो जैसा सीजन जा रहा है, मनन साहब का वर्ब्रुगन मेरे टैबिनर की पेनल्टी रोक लेगा, बट ठीक है.
वो तो 100%.
That's how
You
this-
can't
that's
you
how
can't
this
fight
season is
Manan
going.
Chipper. You can't
Yeah,
fight.
you-
Would you start Verbruggen or Dubravka though?
Verbruggen.
वर्ब्रुगन bro.
Okay, I did consider.
कैसा सवाल है?
नहीं मेरे
I
लिए
thought
नहीं
you were
है
a
इतना।
numbers guy.
Yeah.
I know Liverpool are
Okay.
shit. I know they're not scoring, but you still have
Let
to
me
play.
take you back to this slide. Now tell me, क्या करना चाहिए आपके हिसाब से आपको start?
Who do I trust more to score goals?
मतलब बोर्नमथ के expected goals are half of Liverpool.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, both are shit.
No.
But I feel Vicario की clean sheet आ रही है this week, Rakshit, for you.
Nah, Bowen has scored.
Exactly. What are your long-term plans with Foden? Are you going to hold for a couple of weeks or उसके beyond?
At least
Looking to sell, keep?
No, not beyond that, because again City के doubles के इतने chances नहीं है, and it's a great swap from Foden to Bruno in 24. मतलब I can't understate it. I think it's gonna be the easiest move I'll ever make, and it does not matter कि Foden तब तक 5 goal और मार दे, because the fixtures are turning for City and it's getting good for United. Very simple.
दोस्तों टेलीग्राम चैनल पे फॉलो करिए, FPL गपशप, लिंक आपको मिल जाएगा वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में एंड पिन कमेंट एज वेल. भाटिया साहब अपनी न्यूड्स वहां पे भेजते हैं, सो इफ यू वांट टू एक्सेस देम फॉलो आवर टेलीग्राम चैनल. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वाचिंग. लाइक जरूर करना दोस्तों. भाटिया साहब एक बहुत टफ मिशन कंप्लीट करके आए वेनेजुएला में, सो गुड टू बी
Wait. There's a question. Did Bhatia साहब from the वहां से क्या उन्होंने वेनेजुएला से न्यूज़ भेजे थे किसी के साथ? That's the bigger question on Telegram.
You'll get to know when you join the Telegram channel.
Exactly.
सर अगर आपको गुड़गांव के नोट्स चाहिए तो you know where to go. वेनेजुएला के नोट्स आपको मिलेंगे कि नहीं पता.
I think on this note we should end the pod. Yeah. Thank you, dosto, and we will see you in game week 23. Cheers, guys.
Cheers. Good